Kobuleti is a charming coastal town located in the southwestern part of Georgia's Ajara region. It's situated along the Black Sea coast, offering beautiful beaches, lush greenery, and a relaxed atmosphere. Here are some of the highlights of Kobuleti. Beautiful beaches. Kobuleti boasts long stretches of sandy beaches, perfect for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. Subtropical climate. The town enjoys a warm and humid climate, making it a great destination for a summer getaway. Mineral springs. Kobuleti is known for its mineral springs, which are believed to have healing properties. Relaxed atmosphere. The town offers a peaceful and laid-back atmosphere, ideal for relaxation and rejuvenation. Affordable accommodation. Kobuleti offers a variety of accommodation options, from budget-friendly guest houses to luxurious hotels. Delicious cuisine. Enjoy fresh seafood, traditional Georgian dishes, and international cuisine at the local restaurants. Kobuleti is a great destination for those seeking a relaxing beach vacation or a cultural experience. It's a perfect place to unwind, soak up the sun, and explore the beautiful Georgian coast. A blend of nature and history. Kobuleti offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and historical charm. The city stretches along the Black Sea coast, boasting wide, sandy beaches ideal for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. The calm waters and gentle slopes make it a safe and enjoyable place for families with children. Beyond the beaches, Kobuleti offers lush green parks and gardens, perfect for a leisurely stroll or a picnic. The Central Park is a popular spot for locals and visitors alike, featuring walking paths, playgrounds, and beautiful landscaping. A rich history. Kobuleti has a rich history, with evidence of human settlement dating back to ancient times. The city's name is believed to have Turkish origins and means, the place of the small river. Over the centuries, Kobuleti has been under the rule of various empires, including the Byzantine, Ottoman, and Russian empires. Today, visitors can explore the city's historical landmarks, including old churches, ancient ruins, and museums. The Kobuleti Museum houses a collection of artifacts that tell the story of the city's past. How to get to Kobuleti, Georgia by train. Tbilisi to Kobuleti. The most convenient way to reach Kobuleti is by train. Georgian Railway operates regular train services between Tbilisi and Kobuleti. Train stations. You'll depart from Tbilisi Central Station and arrive at Kobuleti Station. By bus. Tbilisi to Kobuleti. Several bus companies operate daily services between Tbilisi and Kobuleti. Bus stations. You can catch the bus from Ortachala bus station in Tbilisi. By car. Self-drive. Renting a car allows for flexibility and the opportunity to explore the scenic coastal road. Taxi. Taxis are available for a more comfortable and direct journey. International travel. Tbilisi International Airport, the primary international airport in Georgia, serving flights from various destinations. Batumi International Airport, another option, especially for flights from Turkey and other nearby countries. Kobuleti has several parks, each offering a unique experience. Kobuleti Central Park. A popular local park with green spaces, walking paths, and playgrounds. perfect for a leisurely stroll or a family picnic. Kobuleti Boulevard. A beautiful seaside promenade lined with palm trees, cafes, and shops. Ideal for evening walks and enjoying the sea breeze. Kobuleti National Park. A protected area with diverse ecosystems, including wetlands, forests, and coastal zones. Offers opportunities for hiking, birdwatching, and nature exploration. Teakinvale Park. A smaller park with a playground and green spaces. Suitable for families with children. Dendropark Shekavetili. While not technically in Kobuleti, this stunning botanical garden is located nearby and is definitely worth a visit. It features a diverse collection of plants from around the world, as well as a zoo with exotic animals. The Golden Beach Hotel is a popular choice for visitors to Kobuleti, Georgia. It's a beachfront property offering comfortable accommodations and easy access to the beach. Key features of the Golden Beach Hotel. Beachfront location. Enjoy direct access to the beautiful Black Sea coast. Comfortable rooms. Air-conditioned rooms with modern amenities. On-site dining. A restaurant serving delicious local and international cuisine. Free Wi-Fi. Stay connected during your stay. Friendly staff. Receive warm and welcoming service from the hotel staff. No, Kobuleti doesn't experience snow. As a coastal city with a subtropical climate, Kobuleti enjoys warm temperatures year-round. Snowfall is extremely rare and would be considered a highly unusual weather event. If you're looking for a winter destination with snow, you might consider countries like Kobuleti offers a variety of dining options, from traditional Georgian restaurants to international cuisine. Here are some popular restaurants in Kobuleti. Traditional Georgian cuisine. Georgian House. This restaurant specializes in authentic Georgian cuisine, including khachapuri, hinkali, and other traditional dishes. Afra. This restaurant offers a wide range of Georgian dishes, including grilled meats, stews, and soups. Seafood restaurants. Oravala. This restaurant specializes in seafood dishes, including grilled fish, seafood salads, and seafood soups. Cafe, Restaurant Nikala. This restaurant offers a variety of dishes, including seafood, meat, and vegetarian options. Other restaurants. Smile. This restaurant offers a variety of international dishes, including pizza, pasta, and burgers. Oasis. This restaurant offers a variety of dishes, including Georgian, European, and Asian cuisine. Tips for dining in Kobuleti. Try local specialties. Be sure to try traditional Georgian dishes like khachapuri and hinkali. Fresh seafood. Kobuleti is located on the Black Sea coast, so you can enjoy fresh seafood dishes. Outdoor dining. Many restaurants offer outdoor seating, allowing you to enjoy your meal while taking in the beautiful views of the Black Sea. Local markets. Visit local markets to experience the local culture and purchase fresh produce. By exploring the various restaurants in Kobuleti, you can discover a wide range of flavors and culinary experiences. Adjara and Kobuleti, a coastal gem of Georgia. Adjara is a picturesque autonomous republic located in southwestern Georgia, known for its stunning Black Sea coastline, lush subtropical forests, and charming towns. Nestled within it Jara is the beautiful coastal city of Kobuleti, a popular destination for both locals and international tourists seeking a relaxing beach vacation. Lady Kobuleti is a popular song that has captured the hearts of many, particularly those familiar with the beautiful Georgian coastal city of Kobuleti. The song, often described as a summer anthem, paints a vivid picture of the city's allure and the carefree spirit of its visitors. The lyrics of Lady Kobuleti often express a sense of admiration for the city, its people, and the overall atmosphere. They typically evoke images of sun, sea, and the joy of summer. The song often mentions specific aspects of Kobuleti, such as its beaches, nightlife, and the unique charm of its inhabitants. Lady Kobuleti has become more than just a song. It's a cultural phenomenon that has shaped the image of Kobuleti. The song has been featured in numerous commercials, TV shows, and movies, further solidifying its status as a beloved anthem. Living in Kobuleti, a seaside serenity. Kobuleti, a charming coastal town in Georgia, offers a unique blend of tranquility, natural beauty, and affordable living. Here's a glimpse into what life in Kobuleti might be like. The appeal of Kobuleti. Natural beauty. Kobuleti boasts stunning beaches, lush greenery, and a mild climate. Relaxed lifestyle. The town offers a peaceful and laid-back atmosphere, perfect for those seeking a slower pace of life. Affordable living. Compared to many other coastal towns, Kobuleti offers relatively affordable housing and living costs. Friendly locals. The Georgian people are known for their warm hospitality and welcoming nature. Practical considerations. Language. While many people in tourist areas speak English, learning some basic Georgian can be helpful. Healthcare. While there are healthcare facilities in Kobuleti, it's advisable to have international health insurance. Accommodation. You can find a variety of accommodation options, from apartments and houses to guest houses and hotels. Transportation. Public transportation is available, but owning a car can provide more flexibility. Internet. Internet access is generally available, although the speed may vary. Daily life in Kobuleti. Beach life. Enjoy swimming, sunbathing, and water sports on the beautiful Black Sea coast. Outdoor activities. Explore the nearby forests, go hiking, or try cycling. Local cuisine. Savor delicious Georgian cuisine, including khachapuri, hinkali, and fresh seafood. Cultural experiences. Visit historical sites, attend local festivals, and immerse yourself in Georgian culture. Living in Kobuleti can be a rewarding experience, offering a high quality of life and a chance to connect with nature. However, it's important to consider the specific challenges and opportunities before making a decision.